Well, hi there. This is Angela Brandt, and I am in the group with Jerry Richards and Kim Westendorf. And today I'm going to talk to you about the social aspects of the website Goodreads. And what Goodreads is it's more than just a Web 2.0 tool. It's actually a combination of a tool and a social community. So while Kim has gone over some of the things she's gone over some of the things of the tool and of the books. I'm going to show you how Goodreads is a community and describe to you how the community is designed very well. And I think that there is a lot of thoughtful design aspects to this community. So if you go up here on the right, as where my mouse is, to explore, you'll see that there are additional things about Goodreads that we can go over. And then we also have a section called groups. When you click the section of groups, you see that there's a whole list, actually, of groups that you can join. And I think that this is really neatly designed because not only do you have a search option, but you can also browse by tag. And I love tag-based browser searches because I think that tags help us find book clubs that, or anything, actually. They help us find things that are in a certain category. So, one of the things, as you can see, that I really don't like about Goodreads is the fact that they, like many other applications, are using these ads right here. And, I mean, there's ads just all over the place. So I think that that's probably part of the poor design, but I suppose that's for another subject. And another area that I would like to show you is the Explore section. In here we see a place called Listopia, and I think that this is a really cool feature of Goodreads. We can see here that you can vote for your favorite books, and it's basically collaborative list making, which I think is really awesome. I really like how Goodreads has incorporated a lot of the social web into their site. Up here you can see that there is a Facebook login, and so everything is integrated to Facebook, and you can also export your books, what you're currently reading, anything like that right to Facebook. So as you can see here, one of the featured lists this week is the best books about mistresses, which I think is hilarious. So I'm going to click that, and basically what you do is everybody votes on what they think their favorite books are about mistresses. So, and they take a certain subject and they go from there. Another thing that's really key about the design of Goodreads is that a lot of thought was put into making books the center of the design of the website. So for example, everywhere you see a book, there's always a place for you to add it to a shelf, rate the book, and to write a review about the book. And I think that's really smart. And so you can see here that I've already added a few votes over here, like The Other Boleyn Girl, and then you can add a caption here. I just said this is a wonderful book. And so I can submit, excuse me, what I think are the best books about mistresses. So, and what my votes are. And then I can also share this list on Facebook. Again, incorporating that social aspect to the design of the website. Also, they also have a place called People in the community section of Goodreads. And I think that this is really cool because we have to remember that a lot of times when we use these sites, we're not only looking to organize our own information and socialize with others that have the same interests that we do, but we also want to find new information. So here we can also look at what other people are reading. And if they're reading some of the books that we like, we can look at their shelves and find out if there happens to be something that they have also had a positive review on. So for example, we have this Beth Labonte who's currently online in Massachusetts. She has 116 books, 34 friends, and she's currently reading a book called What Stays in Vegas. Looks like a really popular chick lit author, not necessarily something that I would be interested in. Anyway, you can also find friends from different websites, so Gmail, Facebook, Friends of Friends on Goodreads. And what a way to use that 6 degrees of separation. I think that's really neat. And it's so nice that they put this right in the middle of the website so that we're able to take a look and, figure some of that stuff out. You can also there's also fun things. You can also do trivia and attend events. In C.S. Lewis's The Lion and the Witch and the Wardrobe, what mythical creature does Lucy encounter? I'm not sure because I've never seen it. I just totally outed myself right here. So anyway, that is Goodreads, and I think that there's a lot of thoughtful design that's put into this website, and I have really enjoyed using it. I have 631 books up here, and I always keep track of what I'm reading and organize my bookshelf. And the neat thing about Goodreads too is that they've gone mobile. I actually have a Goodreads application on my Android, and I'm able to take that with me, and when I see a book that I really want but do not want to pay full price for, I can just scan that book, it'll upload to my Goodreads, and I have a list that says to buy. So very cool. So that is my presentation. Thank you.